Okay, the market is open, guys, and this is what we do. We go to our 3 minutes time frame. We were late, guys, sorry. So we go to our 3 minutes time frame. This is our 3 minutes time frame, and we mark the high and the low, which is this one here. Okay, that is our high, and we mark the low. This is our low. So we have a break of a structure here, and then we have a fair value gap here. Okay, we have this. And also we have this. So we mark 20 pips from the low. We're looking for 20 pips. Sorry. Let's do like this. 20 pips. 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 There. Okay, so we are seeing a breakout. Okay, we mark again 20 pips. Perfect. So what we saw is just liquidity being taken. Liquidity be taken on the low, liquidity be taken the high. So we have to be patient. Okay, we have to be patient. Let's go to 1 minute. We see our 1 minute. Okay, so this was our high we had. You can see even in 1 minute we did not see any serious movement, a strong one to take this high and take the 20 pips. Okay, the horizontal 20 pips. This is our indicator that price is really moving up if we close this line, and if we close this line, price is really moving down. So what do we have here? You can see on a 1 minute time frame we had this break of a structure here. Okay, this is a break of a structure. Perfect. This is a break of a structure. Then we had a fair value gap here, which price came to this fair value gap, and then we take liquidity, we take this higher. So let's wait and see. Now here, what do we have again? We have this one here, which was our fair value gap. Okay, which it was our fair value gap. And again we have this, you can see here, this is another thing which we can mark it as our potential area. Perfect. So now let's be watching, and let's be watching. So let's watch, guys. So this is London session. When you come here, and this is what we do. Okay, we identify the high and the low, okay, of the 27 minutes before 30 minutes before 10:30 Okay, so we mark the high and the low, and then we measure 20 pips from the low, 20 pips from the high, and then we are looking for a breakout. We are looking for a breakout. So if a breakout will happen, breaking this high and low, also breaking the horizontal 20 pips, then we can say now we are going into that direction. But what is the trend so far? You can see the trend is an uptrend, so we are looking for buy positions, guys. But let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so this is the 3 minutes time frame. That is our higher time frame because we are doing scalping, and our refine time is 1 minute. So let's see what is 1 minute giving us so far. Our 1 minute is giving us what? Our 1 minute, you can see price is still consolidating here, and we see now a breakout in a 1 minute time frame. Now remember, we have this order block here because this was what? This was a break of structure. Then this is our order block. So don't forget that. We mark that as our order block. Okay, but we were waiting for a breakout. Okay, so let's go and confirm it in a 1 minute, in a 3 minutes if it's still a breakout. Yes, so we still have 2 minutes to see a complete what? A complete breakout. Okay? Yes. Perfect. You see? That is very important. So this was a quick buy. Why? Because here in a 1 minute, this potential, we had this potential area. You can see in a 1 minute. Now, if you ask me, what should we do here? Just be patient, because if you wanted to buy, this was our buy, a very quick one at this level here, because we had something there, and our stop loss should be just below here. Okay, and we focus on this low as our high, okay, which was giving us 1 to 4. But because we saw a breakout, this is a breakout, so let's wait and see. Okay, now remember, we have this one here. So at the end of the day, we gonna sell. No, we will not sell, because this candle did not take our 20 minutes horizontal line, even though we saw a breakout. So if you were doing if you are waiting for this, then you are supposed to have a 1 to 2 and you are done. In this sense, it was a very quick selling, this one here. Okay, and your stop loss should be above that candle which caused the break. And you see, it was not giving you 1 to 20. I mean 1 to 2. It was not giving you 1 to 2. So it was not a good setup. Okay, it was not a good setup, even though you could have made some amount of money. So far, what we need to do, we just need to wait now. Yes, we saw fast confirmation, we saw a breakout, perfect. But what else? We saw liquidity being taken. Let's go to 1 minute, you can see it properly. In a 1 minute, you can see there, price came to this level here. Okay, you can see I told you this might be a potential area. It's where price came, and then we saw this spike. Okay, we saw this spike, and we have something here. This was the break of structure, so this is our order block. Okay, and then price came on the retest on this order block, and then now here we are. So it is a retest. We will sell. We will do what? We will sell if we get a clear confirmation. So what we're gonna do here, let's do like this now. So this was our what? This was our price came and the retest inside there. Okay, price came on the retest. Perfect. This was the first retest. Then let's wait for the second retest to come inside, and then we're gonna take our sell. Okay, so let's go to 3 minutes. You see, on the 3 minutes, we still don't have what? We still don't have that one. Okay. So we will take our sell here. Okay, so when you are doing scalping, you need to be very careful, very sharp. I missed this one here, but I normally take this as a buy. I normally take this as a buy. That when this one just finish, I normally take this as a buy because it came directly to our what? To our 1 minute. That was an order block. Okay, that was an order block, and if you take this one up to this low as your resistance, this was very good. It was 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 6. That was another setup, but we are waiting now. Prices has come to retest, so we are waiting now if this candle will take down this one here. Okay, if this candle will take down this as our horizontal in a 3 minutes time frame, then we're gonna take our sell. Okay, we're gonna take our what? We're gonna take our sell. But so far, still price is not giving us that. So what we are waiting is for the price to come to this order block, which you can see it in a 1 minute time frame, and this is their 50%, which in a 1 minute you can see we add an order block here. We add a break of structure, which it is almost resembling with the 50%. So let me calculate it. Let me calculate. This is 22. Perfect. So here I think is the price whereby I'm expecting to take my sell at this level here. Okay, I'm expecting to take my sell at this level here, and my stop loss should be above this candle. Okay, and we focus taking 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is around here. Okay guys, so that will be our setup. That will be our setup, even though someone can say I want to take it now because it has touched our order block. Okay, but let's be patient. If you want to do it, you can start small, maybe with a very small lot size, and then when it goes, if it will not touch where I have marked it, then you are good to go down. Okay, so ready, let me come close the markets. Let me start. Let's see how it's going to be done. So we have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds for the new to open. A new one has opened. We can see how it goes. I've just entered the market already. We see one lot size as a sell, that if we gonna sell from there, then I'm gonna make some profits. But if we go up again and we do a dollar cost average, I will wait until it comes back there and then I will buy. Okay, so I'm still on profit so far. I'm still on profit so far. I'm still on profit so far. Okay, so if you check it now, for example, if you go to 4-hour time frame, you can see on a 4-hour time frame, this is what I was doing here. Okay, we had, this was a 4-hour time frame, high and low, and we saw this was the low. We saw this is the 4-hour candle, which we have like 3 hours for this candle to be completed. Okay, so I maybe it was just a liquidity grab, nobody knows. But if it will go up, this is where I was expecting it to come. Okay, and this was the high which I was expecting it to go by just measuring this candle, what it gave us. Okay, but not necessarily. So let's see what is happening here. Let's see what is happening here. Okay, I think you see now, this is what I was trying to tell you, that as long as it has touched our order block, you can just enter small. Okay, you can just enter small, and then you see how it behaves. It might be just going down straight, or it will come and then it will come inside here. This is the focus that we want to take our trade at this point. We want to take our trade at 5283.4 as our entry if it will come to this level, and our stop loss will be 52, around 30 pips, 5286.45, above this higher. Okay, and then we focus 1 to 2. So the trade which I entered, can see price is like doing whatever it's wanna do. All right, maybe we're gonna go up, I don't know, let's wait and see. But if you check this candle and this and this, it shows you what, that price has to come. Look here, guys, you see this, this was the low we had. Okay, and this was the high because this was a break of structure. So that one is our higher, whereby price has to go there and take liquidity, then we go down this. Yes, so let's see. Okay, we have reached there and we have taken liquidity. So what should we do? I think we're gonna see some selling now. So we have two target. We have this and then we have this one here. So if it will come here, okay, price has gone to that point. Let me see how it goes. Okay, I'm at a profit, guys. I took a buy, I changed, I took a buy. So let me close with this. Let's see, will this price still, because price has gone above our horizontal. So let me, we have like 30 seconds for, if it price will if this candle will be completed above the horizontal, then we are going up. But if it will be there below, then there is a possibility we're gonna sell. Okay, a new candle has been formed. So let's see. Let's see. So we failed to take this higher. Okay, the 20 minutes, we didn't take the 20 minutes. So if we fail to take this, means buyers, okay, there we are. It has gone up. Okay, it has gone up. Now let's wait and see. It has gone up. Okay, so this was a breakout of this. We saw a breakout, and then this is our second candle. So we are waiting for this candle to be completed, and then we will make a decision, because it might be just taking liquidity then coming down. So if it will come down, then it's a selling. But if it will still be up above this, then we take our buy. We focus on 1-to-2 ratio. Okay, so our sell, the sell here, we can say it did not go as planned. So we have 1 minute. Okay, we have 1 minute, 59 seconds. Okay, so 3 minutes, we didn't see any breakout of this 20, so we can't say that selling was very strong, no. But buy, I think it is very strong, because I think we have just remained with 23 and the steel price is going up. Okay, so we're gonna take our buy after a retest. Okay, after a retest, that's where we can take our buy. This can come back here, so we will take our buy around the, because we have either here, and our stop loss should be below this candle, and we focus 1-to-2 like that. 1-to-2. Okay, there, 1-to-2. So let's wait. Even though we have a fair value gap here, okay, we have a gap here, we have this gap. So let's see if price will come for the retest.